Hi, I'm Ray Rasker. I'm the Executive Director of Headwaters Economics. I'm here to talk to you about wildfires. They're bigger, they're burning longer, they're destroying more property and killing more people than ever before. And there's 4 reasons for this. One is it's hotter and drier. In the last 100 years, we've been very aggressive with fire suppression, so we have a lot of fuel buildup. 90% of fires are started by people. We have more and more people in the woods these days. And then finally, we have a lot of people building in harm's way, people building homes in what is called the wildland-urban interface. Now, there's no single solution to the wildfire problem. One of the most effective things we can do is improve a community's ability to do land use planning. And by this, we mean helping communities improve their regulatory environment. So zoning, subdivision design standards, building codes, the sort of things where we're not saying don't build, but we're saying if you are going to build in a dangerous place, let's use the best available science to make sure that your home has a chance of surviving a wildfire. So we co-direct a program called Community Planning Assistance for Wildfire. And in that program, we provide free assistance to communities. So we provide land use planning assistance, wildfire risk assessments, or neighborhood scale wildfire risk maps, training and capacity building, and we also provide communities with custom research. To date, 70 communities throughout the country have benefited from this program.